7:07 a.m. Eastern and 9/21/2015. 7:07 Eastern. Here we have daily level hit and exceeded. Strong buy comes in for 400 some change, close to 450 now. Pending orders at 58 for 244. 15-minute level. Alex, could you run down the fives again, please?
Copy that. The CMF and MFI are both clear to be long at this time. Increased momentum to the upside. SMI, MACD, EMAs all strong to the upside. Bid-ask, strong accumulation in our favor. VMAs as well holding up strong, continuously making higher highs. And we're looking good. NTM 57.75. I have a 15 at 57.75 as well, just above the daily. Being tested at this time.
$15-minute hit on the target, 58. Initial move identified here, but the preferred entry 56. Managing a trade to the upside. Outs could have been here at the daily on the target, and again on the 15-minute 58. Look to get for the market order for the larger gain in the trade. Right now we're holding at 57 on the daily level. Additional buy came in.
CMF is taking back down.
Copy that. Fast trade in here, out there, 2-minute hold time. And long-term holders would be out back at the daily level.
New 5-minute bar, MF5 the tick down, CMF slight tick up. Holding.
Seven 10, 52 seconds Eastern, 6:10 Central Globex time. Okay, so if prices can hold this daily level, there is a possibility for a second leg to the upside continuing through the 58. MFI remains strong to the upside. Buy orders dominate on the 5-second proprietary indicator here. Small upward momentum here. What region is the CMF at on the fives?
Mid-range.
Good. Strong accumulation and level 2. 1957 some change, 57.54, 837 here. Along with strong accumulation on the bid-ask here suggests the prices should continue to move to the upside. This order getting taken out. That will be the follow-through that we're looking for here for an additional leg on a trade. 832 and 1957 and 50. below the daily now. 56 and 75. Mark, how many contracts might you be looking for confirmed to the buy side to get that second leg?
At least over 1,000, like combined, maybe 1,500 or so. I mean, it took 1,000 on that move up to get basically where we are, 1,500 to get where we are.
Copy that.
And it's about the same. It's about the same distance. You'd think it would need kind of the same volume.
Holding at 57 and a tick below at 56.75. One minute EMA is back up. Even though prices are down a tick below the daily level, it's at 57.50 price level. Still has to stand out for 834 and pending.
MFI is strong to the upside. Marginal change on new 5-minute bar. CMF with a tick back up.
Copy that. One minute EMA is up, higher level now at a 65.38. Buy comes in for 200, copy that. Copy that buy on the 5-second for 200.
Yeah, copy 200. Yeah, 200. Yep.
There you go. That order just got taken out. 750, 760 traded long, confirmed. 5-second, copy that.
Yep. Copy that.
That was the ideal circumstance, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Pending order is there. Volume confirmation on a proprietary 5-second VTC VMA shows the buy stamped. Pending order disappears. So 58 hit once again on the high of the current 1-minute bar. About 15 seconds left. Counting down now. Additional bid ask. Accumulation coming in. It most recently closed out 1-minute bar. Well, Mark, you got half of what you were looking for.
Yeah. I guess I did.
Let's see if the other half comes in. We are still recording. FYI, pending orders 1958 price for 266. The odd part here is now we have pending orders that were at 59 just a second ago, now at 1960 for 4 to 84. Copy that.
Copy that.
So possibilities of a longer time horizon, a longer hold time on the trade to get to 59 and 75 for the next daily level. Copy that.
Yeah, copy that. That's what I'm shooting for.
Okay, you might get there.
Gap up.
Yep, and additional accumulation coming in on bid ask as we speak. Correction closed out last 2 bars, about equal value on that right here. 40 and 40 right back up here. So very strong, very strong. Looking to get to 1960 now, longer term trade. 478 stand out once again. Target hit at 1958 and 50. You can take that off the board right above the 15-minute level. For those of you who are viewing this trade, recommend it out at the daily, possible back in, trading off support, once resistance, right? Get out at the 15 or the 1 minute right above it at 58.50. Preferred entry from the rec at the beginning is 56. How are we looking on the fives, Alex?
Remaining strong to the upside across the board.
Any room left to go on CMF to the upside?
Definitely. About halfway there.
We have bid-ask distribution coming in on the last two 1 minute bars. The current open 1 minute bar has the greatest amount of distribution from the bid-ask side. Possible profit taking at that point. The 5-second VTC VMA proprietary indicator is way down as compared to just about 45 seconds ago. And if prices can hold 58 on the 15-minute level, and additional accumulation will come in. There's 402 above the market at 59. If that trade can be taken out, then prices should continue to move to the upside, but without it, it's doubtful. 58.50, 58.25, looking for that 59 order. Go ahead.
That's a gap fold.
Copy that. Thank you.
Both money flows are holding strong above resistance. Now, resistance down support. Marginal pullback on the CMF.
Copy that. After the rite of passage, quarter of a point to be in at 56.25 and out at the target at 58.50, less the quarter for the out. That is a 2-point move identified from here to here by this methodology this morning. Prices never looked back after the in. Close stop placed here below the market. Half, 3/4 of a point max. And looking for the continuation move again. Now as the 1 minute VTC VMA is back up, need that order at 1959 for 379 to get taken out. 5-second VTC VMA marginally up, holding strong on MACD SMI. Holding strong here, CMF MFI. Already being through the 1 minute support here with 1, 2, looking for 3 up closes. And about 30 seconds, if this up close remains, level will be relocated.
Both money flows are back up strong.
Copy that. We're holding strong on this end. MTM prices trading ES near contract month 12/2015 at 1958.75. That's 58 and 75. Quarter point up should take out the 282. So that shows up on the 5-second. Prices should continue to move to the upside. Long-term holders are still good. Here we go. Here's your buy-in for 615 some change. Can you copy that?
Copy that.
Increased 1-minute bid-ask distribution accumulation between the last 4 bars out of the last 8. Dominant side is becoming distribution. Is becoming. Now that will play itself out only, I believe, after now the prices get up higher to the 59.75 because of the pending order that's sitting there at 60. How are we looking on the 5s?
CMF with a takedown on a new 5-minute bar. MFI is holding up strong. Although the takedown, CMF is above support, now oscillating to the downside.
Copy that. Here's current configuration on MFI and CMF. We're holding strong. $58.75, taking off, $58.75, and then 58 and 50 to be out. Pending order still stand out at 60 for 488, but that's further down the road. More than enough time after the end to be out to lock in the 2-point move.
Come on, get above that.
Yeah, we just need a little more here. Contracts. Finish it up. Nothing's come in on the downside to take out that buy. Here we go. 200 just came in. Copy that.
Copy that.
Okay, let's look for 1960 at 534. That would be the out at 1959. 60. Yeah. 1960, 75, and 1961. Okay, and a failed try for the daily level, but you got out, right? 15-minute level. $58. 59.75.
Distribute.
58.75. 1 minute here. Yeah. So that's it for that move for now. Range of the bars has become too great at this point. momentum of the move to the upside has been taken out. This large bar up by this. And one more opportunity for the 58.75 on the 1 minute level as established by prices. I mean, there is a possibility the price could trade up again and eventually hit that 59.75, but after that retracement on this bar down, you know, one would have covered the long, gone flat. I'll probably get there now. Yeah, you're there and through. Now, possible preferred entry again would have been above the daily level at 59.60 flat. That would have been 60 flat right here on the increased volume. It came in. Can you copy that buy for 1600?
Copy.
Yeah.
That's for the volume we're needing to move.
Absolutely, you called that correctly. Right on the money. So 60.
I'm still in this trade here, looking for 160.75 for an out.
Copy that.
Now,
Now trading above the daily level, off the daily level from 59.75 up. Next 15-minute level to the upside above 60.75 becomes 62.75. There may be some minor incremental additional buy just came in for close to 800. You copy that.
copy that.
Yeah, 60.75. $61.75. Another 15-minute level right here, blown through now, looking to get to 62.75. Second leg identified. Traders are in 60. Now looking 62.75. There's your trade, Mark.
Yeah. An out. Yeah.
So from the secondary preferred entry price at 1960, after the rite of passage paid, $19.60 and out at $19.62.75 is 275. List spread leaves 2.25. That's a total of 4.25 points identified by the Vector Traders Consortium this morning, and prices continue to move to the upside. I remain clear of strong upside, MFI with an increased momentum. Are we looking on the fives?
Holding up strong.
Do you have any sign of any possible negative divergences coming in on the fives?
Possibly in the CMF.
How much longer would it take for that to happen?
2 more 5-minute bars.
Okay.
10 minutes.
$64.25, 15-minute level, superior resistance. Extrapolated onto the 1-minute chart. Okay, we have a current downtick on the VTC VMA proprietary. Indicator, how are we looking on pending orders, fellas? Standouts.
I'm not there right now. Just a second. We have 549 at 65.25. Below that, just above the market right now at 64 for 488.
.2 points on the original move, 2.25 on the second move, 4.25 points. All the outs clearly laid out in advance. Yeah, 64 for 498. Current configuration on MFI and CMF. Holding at the 15-minute level in red, it's played onto 1-minute chart at 62.75. More than enough time to lock in at 62.75. Price level again for the 2 points. So I went with the open of 1200 hours, 9/18/2015. That open price was 1964 and 25 for the end goal price profit target. And prices have hit on the high, the current 1-minute bar, the current high price here at this point that you're looking at. Now I'm referring to the 15-minute chart. The open of the next 15-minute bar at 12:15 hours, 9/18/2015. Open price is 1963 and 75. Open price. So it could possibly turn out to be the high of that bar at 63.75. Copy that.
Copy that.
Right here. Accumulated sells are taken out. The accumulated buys on the 5-second prop from 7:31, 25 seconds onward. You copy that? That's 6:31, 25 seconds your time and onward.
Copy that.
Values are much lower on the 5-second. Prices hit a target and leveled off. More than enough money's been made this morning. Alex, can you run it down before we cut the tape, please? Sum it up.
Copy that. We had an initial entry through a shorter term trend line on the ones, drawn at around 55, 75, 56. Taken up to the daily around 57. It's a good target to be out. Prices continued up, strong volume. An entry above that around 57.75, 58. Took that up to the next daily level for another target at 59.75, and additional volume came in again for another 1,600 contracts, bringing us up to where prices are currently holding mark to the market 1963. So a lot of points accumulated this morning. 5s never looked back, 15s never looked back. It was a solid trade up.
Mark, how about you?
I got no additional comments. It's pretty smooth trade there. Not a lot of range on the bars when they were neutral.
Copy that. Okay, Mark Sella, Alex Felix, and Jeff Killian for the Vector Traders Consortium. Closing out this tape for this session. And here we are now at 7:39, 59 seconds. That's now 6:40 and 1 second Globex time. Identified the preferred entry, called the preferred outs, identified another preferred entry after the end of the first leg, and identified the out price at 62.75. Prices may continue to trade up, but at this point the mover is overextended, and therefore the probabilities of price continuing up in a strong way after the first 2 legs have been completed and 4.25 points have been locked in, we'll pass on any other possibilities to the upside at this time. Signing out for the VTC, we'll pick it up on the next trade.